radiate boundless love towards the entire world. A disciplined mind brings happiness. Give, even if you only have a little. Conquer anger with non-anger. Conquer badness with goodness. Conquer meanness with generosity. Conquer dishonesty with truth. Drop by drop is the water pot filled. Likewise, the wise man, gathering it little by little, fills himself with good. I will not look at another's bowl intent on finding fault, a training to be observed. Let none find fault with others, let none see the omissions and commissions of others, but let one see one's own acts, done and undone. Should a person do good, let him do it again and again, let him find pleasure therein, for blissful is the accumulation of good. One is not called noble who harms living beings. By not harming living beings one is called noble. If a man going down into a river, swollen and swiftly flowing, is carried away by the current, how can he help others across? To support mother and father, to cherish wife and children, and to be engaged in peaceful occupation, this is the greatest blessing. They blame those who remain silent, they blame those who speak much, they blame those who speak in moderation. There is none in the world who is not blamed. Just as the great ocean has one taste, the taste of salt, so also this teaching and discipline has one taste, the taste of liberation. If with a pure mind a person speaks or acts, happiness follows them like a never-departing shadow. All experiences are preceded by mind, having mind as their master, created by mind. Ceasing to do evil, cultivating the good, purifying the heart, this is the teaching of the Buddhas. As I am, so are these, as are these, so am I. Drawing the parallel to yourself, neither kill nor get others to kill. If the problem can be solved, why worry? If the problem cannot be solved, worrying will do you no good. It is better to do nothing, than to do what is wrong, for whatever you do to yourself.